Thank you for joining us on the Morning Blend. Now, as part of the Sinas Dramis Law Firm's Know the Law campaign, we have Lansing family law attorney Jackie Dupler with us today, and she's going to talk about what happens when divorced parents disagree on whether their children should be vaccinated, a pretty hot topic. And childhood vaccinations have been all over the news today, or if you see Facebook and things like that, you just see so many discussions. Tell us why.
Well, the issue with child vaccinations is not really a new one. It has been an issue for many families for decades. Some parents don't want to have their child vaccinated due to medical concerns or religious objections. Right now, there are two separate cases in Oakland County, Michigan, where the parents are disagreeing about vaccination. In both of these cases, coincidentally, the mothers wish for the child not to be vaccinated, and the fathers want the child to be vaccinated.
Right.
In one of those cases, the mother actually spent several days in jail after violating a court order regarding vaccination. Mind you, in that case, the parties agreed to vaccinate their child, memorialized that agreement into a court order, and then the mother subsequently intentionally failed to comply with the order. Therefore, she went to jail. The other case is set for a court hearing in mid-November.
Okay. So what happens when divorced parents can't agree on whether or not to vaccinate their child?
When parents have joint legal custody, they have to agree on major decisions affecting the life of the child. Think education, medical, religion. If parents have joint legal custody and they don't agree on one of those major issues, the issue has to go to court. Neither parent can just make the decision. This means that a parent will have to file a motion, and the court will then make a decision on that motion.
Okay, and vaccinations are such a personal choice. How does the court go about making this decision?
Well, as someone who previously worked in the office of a family law judge, I know from experience that the court does not want to make this type of decision for a family. They understand it's a personal decision and would really prefer the families to discuss the issue and come to an agreement and make that decision together. However, if the court is put in a position where they have to address the issue, the court does so applying the best interest factors, which is part of the Child Custody Act in Michigan, as well as considering the evidence presented by the parties in this case.
Okay, and real quickly, just a couple examples of the types of evidence a parent would need to present.
Depending on what your position is, you have to provide an expert witness, whether it's an expert medical opinion such as a child's pediatrician or an expert in medicine that disagrees with vaccination, as well as potentially members of the faith community against the vaccination.
Okay, so much to learn about this, and you can find out more at sinasdramis.com. That's all our time for now on the Morning Blend.